Unlock profit and growth without the content creation struggles in minutes. Struggling to create engaging, consistent content for your business while juggling other responsibilities? You're not alone. Crafting content that resonates with your audience and aligns with your brand is a daily challenge. The relentless demand for fresh, engaging content is draining, and the stress of meeting deadlines can be overwhelming. It's time for a change. Introducing your DFY Kit. Introducing the Affirmations Profit Kit, your content creation struggles, be gone. With 2,500 plus professionally designed Canva affirmation designs and editable templates at your fingertips, say goodbye to content creation hassles. Imagine a vast content library spanning affirmations, positive manifestations, gratitude, mindfulness, motivation, and more. Whether nurturing your brand, engaging your audience, or boosting profits, this kit offers simplicity, versatility, and consistent messaging. Personalize every design with our editable Canva templates to perfect your brand's identity. Transform your content effortlessly with the Affirmations Profit Kit. Bonuses. Canva Pro Access first 50 customers only, offer will be removed after the limit is reached. 250 plus affirmation designs. 3 more categories of affirmations to expand your reach, especially during the upcoming holiday season. It's time to act because fortune favors those who take quick action. Ready to transform your content creation process and boost your business's profits? With the Affirmation Profit Kit, you'll experience the ultimate solution to the challenges of crafting engaging content. Imagine effortlessly accessing 2,500 plus Canva affirmation designs and editable templates, all designed to save you time and energy. Say goodbye to the relentless grind of content creation and the struggle to maintain a cohesive style and messaging. Our versatile content library spans various categories, ensuring your brand's identity shines through every piece of content you create. Plus, you'll enjoy unrestricted use rights on all designs and templates, giving you the creative freedom you deserve. Don't let content creation hold you back any longer. With the Affirmation Profit Kit, you'll have the power to nurture your brand, engage your audience, and ultimately boost your business's profits. And here's the best part, your purchase is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're confident that the Affirmation Profit Kit will revolutionize your content creation journey. But if, for any reason, you're not completely satisfied, simply let us know, and we'll refund your investment, no questions asked. It's time to say goodbye to content creation struggles and hello to effortless, impactful content. Get started today and watch your business thrive. Frequently asked questions. Can I use these designs and templates for commercial purposes? Absolutely. The Affirmations Profit Kit grants you unrestricted use rights, allowing you to use the designs and templates for your business, marketing, or even resale. It's a versatile tool to empower your content creation. Are there any hidden fees or additional costs